What in the world is an FNSKU code? Why do you need one to sell on Amazon? How do you get one, and what do you do with it when you do get that FNSKU code? This is a question that I had, especially when I was just starting out, and a question that I get pretty often now for a lot of sellers that are just starting out. So in this video, I just wanted to take the time to clarify that just for you guys. So without further ado, let's go. What is up, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA family. If you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't gotten the Prestige Amazon FBA 2019 cheat sheet, please be sure to go do so in the description below. Why? Because it's free and I'm sure it'll help you guys out, so please be sure to go grab that. But what is an FNSKU code, or some people say FNSKU? It's basically Amazon's identifier barcode for every product that you do sell. So every product that you send into the Amazon FBA fulfillment centers has to have an FNSKU code, and this just helps with Amazon in identifying your product, and it helps with tracking as to where it is during the package and shipping process. Now, the FNSKU code or FNSKU code is not the same as a UPC barcode. You do use the UPC barcode or the UPC code to generate your FNSKU code on the Amazon FBA platform. How you go about doing that is you can go ahead and purchase a UPC code from the official UPC site, which is gs1.org, and I'll leave a link to that down below. It does cost money. These are not free codes that they give out. These codes cost $250 on the gs1.org site. Back then, a lot of people would just say, you can just go to eBay, you can buy thousands of these for like $1 and you can be set for life and just keep launching products. This is still an option. This is, to be honest, something that I have used in the past, and it's still working out for me. But it's up to you guys. A lot of people say that using eBay barcodes is a lot more risky, just because there's a lot of things that could happen and you're not buying it from an official GS1 barcode website. But I'll leave that up to you guys. Those are two options that I will be giving out to you guys. You guys can weigh the pluses and minuses of those, but you do use the UPC code to generate your FNSKU code. But again, please use the eBay website at your own risk to purchase your GS1 sites. I am proof that it does work, and it does cost pennies for the UPC barcode as opposed to $250 for one off the GS1 website. But again, use at your own risk. A lot of people recommend the GS1. So if you're leaning towards being on the safer side, definitely go for that. But what do you do now that you have your UPC code? So when you're first starting out and creating your personal listing, entering all your descriptions and backend information like that, one of the first things that they ask you is to enter in your UPC code. So you go ahead and copy paste your UPC code. You don't have to fill out all the listings and information about your product right then and there. You can do that later on, but you can go ahead and click save. Let Amazon take a while to update your product description and listing. It'll generate that FNSKU code automatically. From there, you can go ahead and on the right side of your manage inventory platform, you can go ahead and click edit, and then you can switch it over to from fulfillment by merchant to fulfillment by Amazon. And after that, give it a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but you can then go ahead and print out labels for your actual product. You can print out a single label to be placed on your product, or you can print it out on 32 a sheet. What I recommend to you guys, if you guys are sourcing this from a supplier overseas or a larger supplier, you're not doing this by yourself, hopefully, definitely print it out 32 a sheet and send it over to your supplier. Do not have Amazon do this for you. Amazon charges about 30 to 40 cents per item that they put a single barcode sticker on. And imagine if you guys have 1,000 units, prices can go and extra costs will increase like immediately. So most times suppliers will do this for free. You can also have the option of having the barcode printed on directly to your packaging. So there's no sticker There's no sticker placing involved. It's just printed directly onto your packaging if you don't plan to sell elsewhere. It takes an extra step out. Makes the process a little quicker. You don't have to go worry about missing stickers. Your barcode will always be on your packaging. But I hope that video helped you guys a lot. It definitely is something that I wish I had answered for me when I was just starting out. If you guys found that video helpful, please be sure to help me out with a like. If you guys look forward to further or future content, please be sure to subscribe as well. If you guys haven't already checked out the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind Facebook group, please be sure to go do so. We are growing quickly and the group is super active. So if you have any questions at all, please be sure to join that group. And just feel free to ask your questions there. I look forward to seeing you guys there and at the next video. Peace.